Yeah, the wind's gone, so I'm heading left. We'll get some spin drift, but
a definite hit.
Dang, barely. Did you hear that?
Barely, barely.
Oh, just over it. Barely.
That's a hit. That's extremely consistent for a 22.
You believe that? That's 520 yards. It was laser rage finding 523, so 520, 523, right in that range, depending on front or end of the gun. But the funny thing is with the 22, that makes a difference. That one was, that's funny because that one went a little bit supersonic down there. So it went over because it was a less consistent round.
That's a hit.
Oh my gosh! No
Your last
way.
6 shots, you literally missed.
Was that 50%? 3 out of 6?
No, that was 4 out of 6.
Was it really?
You hit one, you missed the next one. You hit 2 or 3 in a row, and missed one.
The phone real quick.
It's
Is it recording? Okay, so I've just got to come in here and show you where that target is. Okay, so that's the 200 yard silhouette. And then out there next to the road, there's 3 targets. Actually, there's one on the ground because I hit it, but you see that white blob in the dirt section down there? That's 2 targets. One of them's 6 inches, one of them's 12. And the 12-inch target's the one I'm shooting at. Now the wind's picked up, so that'll blow it completely off target 4 feet again. But when the wind died, that was 4 out of 6 hits on a 12-inch target at 500 yards. That is absolutely insane. Thanks for videoing that, bro.